Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're making loaded sweet potato fries. Fried sweet potatoes are pretty common here in Ghana. You can find them sold by the roadside and then served with some really nice pepper. The first thing we want to do is to get our kpakposhito sauce going. And for that, we're going to take some kpakposhito or green Pettie bells and then blend that with some onions. And then fry them in some oil. Now what I also do is to add some shrimp paste into that just for extra flavor. If you have shrimp powder, you can do that as well. While we're letting that pepper sauce simmer, we are going to go ahead and get our sweet potatoes ready. Several types of sweet potatoes. You've got the dark orange types, the white type, the yellowish type. What I'm using is the yellowish type. Now, sometimes when you peel sweet potatoes, they can quickly turn black. And a way to prevent that is to squeeze some lemon in some water and then keep them in there so that they don't darken. So we're going to try and cut them into fries or into long strips and then fry them in some oil. We want to make sure that our oil is hot. As usual, we don't want to crowd the pan because we want to get them as crispy as possible. The moment we crowd the pan, it's almost as though we're boiling the sweet potatoes, and we don't want that. And so we're going to fry them until we get a nice, beautiful golden brown color, and then we're going to set that to the side. Now our kpakposhito sauce is ready, and we're going to let that cool down just a bit. Now the kpakposhito sauce is not fried dry, and because this has shrimp paste as well, if you have any leftovers, you're going to want to store that in the fridge. If you store this outside, it will not last, it will start to bubble and it will get spoiled. Now sweet potatoes are ready. They're crunchy, they're hot, they're delicious. I ate a few while I was filming this because I was quite hungry. And once we're done with that, we're going to set them up on a nice plate. I had some cuttlefish that I had spiced with ginger and pepper and salt, and I cut those into little cubes, fried them, not super dry, but just so that they still have a bit of a bite. I made some crispy onions as well. I cut some spring onions, put everything on there, added some of the kpakposhito sauce, and it was just super tasty. This is going to be one of those things I'm going to be eating a lot of. The pepper was nice and spicy. You've got some texture from the cuttlefish, the crunch from the sweet potatoes, the little bit of a bite from the spring onions, but not so much, the slight crispiness from the crispy onions, and it was just tasty. I also had some 1 1000 and I sprinkled that on top as well, just because I was trying to be super extra, and it was so worth it. You can top it with anything. If you have crispy chicken skins, you've got, I don't know whatever you want to, you can just top your loaded fries on there. And so instead of having your sweet potatoes regular, cutting them into big chunks or wedges or whatever, you can try it like this. Cut them into fries, make your little kpakposhito sauce, top it with anything that you want to, and it's super delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Join me next time for another tasty video. Happy eating!